This ad-free experience brought to you by the letter fuck. Let's get going. So in the file 196 function section, in our high-level load on bottom section, we have this new put Nick Cage tile function. We're going to put it at a certain hotel location in a certain room, the room labeled by index 0 to 12 inclusive, at a room local x, room local y coordinates. So here's all of the same inputs right here in the same order as they occur here. We're going to scroll down. We got a little about this function section and then some other information right here. And then we have tile size 0 and layer 0 for the cage tile. We're going to use God Iron, which is tile value 12, and we're going to turn auto tiling on for both the X and Y axis. The latching bit is going to be turned on for both the X and Y. That's why this is 1. This is data pixel X and Y. This is the room data layout cell. So it's a 128 by 128 cell of data encoding our current level data. And that's arranged in a 4x4 grid, hence the 4. Okay, so diagonal offset to data, lateral offset to data, lateral multiplier X and Y that will be applied to this lateral offset. And cage pix is a synonym for the master memory that stores our level data. And here's the RGBA components of our pixel. And here are all of the lookup tables that we need to use to get all of these components that we need to seek to the data pixel that encodes the Uint32 binary tile that we want to modify. So here's the formulas right here. Now you can pause to read these because I think I documented them pretty well. And let's scroll down here. So we need to convert dpx dpy to an index. So we multiply y by 2048, add a remainder, we get the index, we multiply the index by 4, we get a byte address of the first byte of our 4-byte pixel, and we need to create a binary tile payload right here. So it's going to be a God Iron tile with the auto tiling turned on, classic auto tiling right here. Then we're going to take the RGBA payload and we're going to put it at this pixel location here. Okay, so within our loader function, within here, whatever vars, we have a shorthand synonym to this function right here, and then hard-coded h3x, h3y, and then this is the call site. This is the call site right here within this loop right here. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. We are out of fucking time. You can go here for a longer explanation. Like and subscribe.